Good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. I know this Sunday everyone are going to write TET exam. That's why this week I am trying to take maximum number of classes based on the MCQ questions only, because these questions definitely it will come in this Sunday TET exam. This one it will be helpful for you to clear, definitely to clear TET exam. Okay, all the best those who are attending this time 2023 August TET exam. Okay, in the next month September 3rd the TET exam it will be. That's why maximum you are having 5 days. Make use of that 5 days. Definitely concentrate. Definitely you can clear TET exam. Okay, let us move. Let us discuss very important questions based on the topic electricity. Already I uploaded the theory part of electricity, everything. Please, those who are not watched that videos, please go watch, then later you can solve this MCQ questions very easily. Okay, first question. Let us move to the first question here. Okay, first question. A good conductor should have. What is the property of a good conductor? Here they are asking. What is the property of a very good conductor? Good conductor. Already you know what is mean by a conductor. Conductor means, yes, that material it can allow heat and electricity to pass through it. That is the basic definition of a conductor. Then here they are given the option a good conductor should have. First option, the resistivity must be high. Second option, the resistivity must be low. Third option, the resistivity is 0. Fourth one, the resistivity is infinite. Here the correct answer for this question is the resistivity must be low. When you are having good conductor to achieve the conductivity maximum, then in that case the resistivity must be low. Let us discuss this answer in detail here. Yes, let us discuss the answer here. Okay, you know conductors means some materials and metals readily allow passage for electric current to flow. In such materials called conductors, electrons are able to pass readily from atom to atom. Yes. I will make it zoom because it will be clear for you. Next one, what is the properties of a conductor? This is extra information I am giving here. Good conductor should have the following properties. First one, electrical properties means the conductivity must be good. Yes, good conductor means conductivity it must be good. Electrical energy spent in the form of heat must be low. Yes, whenever an electricity is passed through a conductor, some of the energy it will be waste as a heat. Yes, you can observe in your home, even fan when it is running, it will produce a heat. But in which case we will consider the conductivity, it will be maximum or good conductor when it will produce a low heat. Then next one, resistivity must be low. Based on this point, we discussed one question, that is the first question. Why? When you have to achieve the good conductivity, one of the reason the resistivity must be low. What will happen if the resistivity it will be low? What does mean by resistivity? Resistivity is nothing but the opposing force. See, if the electrons, if they will move in this direction, then electricity it will move in the opposite direction. Both also they will be opposite to each other. When there will be a easy flow of electron, then the current it will be generate maximum. Then when the electrons, when they will not able to move easily, then current, electricity or current, it will not generate. Here resistivity means the flow of electrons. Resistivity means if the flow of electrons it will be flowing in this direction, the current it will produce in the opposite direction. Resistivity is nothing but the opposite force. Here I will write this opposing force as F, or resistivity I will use the word R here. Then this is the opposing force. If the opposing force is less, then only the electron it can move very easily. If the electron movement is very easy, then current generation in the opposite direction it will be easy. That's why remember this point, it will be very important. Resistivity must be low to reduce voltage. Even it will reduce the voltage also, voltage drop and also loss. Next point, increase in resistance with temperature must be low. When you increase the temperature of any conducting material, again the increase in resistance it will be low. Even though if you increase the temperature of a particular conductor, the resistivity, the percentage of increase in resistivity it will be low. Remember why I am explaining, because this point is very important. What are the points? Maybe I given one example how they will ask in the exam based on the electricity, how they will be going to ask a particular question. I am giving the information. Based on this information they can ask even more number of questions. That's why. Okay, next one, mechanical properties. This one is very easy. Ductivity means the property of being drawn into the wires. You can convert a metal into a thin wire. That property we will consider as a ductivity. Next one, solderability. The joint should have a minimum contact resistance. Joints like this joints, this one we will call it as a joint. In the when you join three wires, that one solderability, the joint should have a minimum contact resistance. Resistance to corrosion, it should not get rusted when used outdoors. Yes, then should withstand stress and strain. These are the mechanical properties. If the conductor is not, if it is not easily undergo corrosion, if it will be free from stress and strain, then it will be a good conductor. Then economical factor, low cost, easy availability, easy to manufacture. These easy properties, but this electrical property, this one is very important. Remember these four properties. Okay, let us move to the next question. Very important question. One more questions here. A fuse protect an electric circuit by which of the following? Otherwise, what is the use of the fuse? First option, overloading. Second one, transforming one form of energy into the another. Third one, current spot. Fourth one, current update. The correct answer for this question is fuse. It will protect the electric circuit from the overloading. That one is very important. Let us discuss. I will explain. What is mean by fuse? What is the use? An electric fuse is a safety device used to limit the current in an electric circuit, which melts and breaks the circuit whenever there is an excess flow of current through the circuit. You can observe, everyone in our home we have the main switchboard. In the main switchboard, otherwise meter board we will call, that it contains a fuse. What is the help of the fuse? Fuse is a safety device. When high voltage of current, when it is passed inside the home, then inside the home we are having so many electronic devices like TV, fridge, washing machine, AC, all the electronic device. If this high voltage of current, if it is passed through these devices, then they will get damaged. There will be a loss for a particular home. To avoid that loss, in the meter board itself, otherwise in the main board itself, we will use the device that is fuse. When high voltage of current enters Inside the fuse is made up of a low melting point wire. When high voltage of current, when it is passed inside the fuse, then the wire it will melt. When it is melt, then it will disconnect the contact between the remaining home appliances to the main current. Then remaining home appliances, what they have, they will be safe. It will cut off the high voltage of current. A fuse is usually a short piece of wire. Yes, I told you it will be a piece of wire is installed in a circuit to stop the flow of excessive current. To stop the flow of the current, we will use. The material of the fuse has high resistivity but low melting point. Resistivity of the fuse, it will be very high. Then melting point, it will be very low. These are the important points you have to remember. Which question is, I think it will need explanation. That question I will explain in detail. Which one is very easy, I will tell the answer, then I will move. Next one. Which of the following is a measure of the flow of electric charge over time? First option, power. Second option, voltage. Third option, energy. Fourth option, current. Fifth option is air. The correct answer for this question is which of the following is a measure of flow of electric charge? Flow of electric charge we will consider as a current. I, it will be equal to Q divided by T. Q means charge. The flow of charge over time. I is equal to Q by T. Remember this formula. I, it will be Q by T. Then Q means flow of charge over time, otherwise per time. Then it is nothing but current. Yes, here I included explanation. The rate of flow of charge over time is said to be an electric current. Then what is the SI unit of electric current? The ampere is the flow of 1 coulomb through an area in 1 second. The unit of electric current is ampere. SI unit is ampere. The net charge Q flows across any cross section of a conductor in time t, that we will consider as a current. I, it will be equal to Q divided by T. Remember, easy question. Okay. Next. Which is not defining the unit of electric current. Here they are asking which one is not the unit of electric current. Which one is not the unit? Yes, ampere. Yes, this is the unit of electric current. Then volt per ohm, this also a unit of electric current. Then coulomb per second. Yes, then this one Faraday coulomb per second is not the unit of electric current. Here see, coulomb per second. Here I given the explanation also. I will be Q by T, coulomb per second. This is the unit. I, it will be V by R, volt by ohm. Then current is expressed in the ampere. Then here the wrong answer for this question is Farad coulomb per second. That one is not the SI unit of electric current. Now very easy question. A source of voltage V maintains a current I in a circuit. The power P input to the circuit by the source is given by P is equal to VI, first option. Second option, P is equal to V divided by I. Third option, P is equal to I divided by V. Then fourth one, P is equal to I divided by V into I. The correct answer for this question is P is equal to V into I. In another form also you can express this one. What is mean by P? P is nothing but a power. The rate of work done by an electric current is called as a power. It is denoted by P. The SI unit of power is watt. Whatever the extra information I am telling, please remember that one. We don't know which questions they will ask. All the concepts you have to be thorough. At least for TET, you have to know syllabus, it will be less. You have to concentrate the important points where they can ask the MCQ question. That one is very important. Power, it will be equal to VI, then in place of VI, then in place of I you can substitute V by R, then V square by R, it will be equal to I square into R. These all the three forms are same. Then here V is the voltage potential difference across the resistance, then I is the current flowing, then R is the resistance. Then what is meant by the voltage or potential difference? The amount of potential difference between the 2 points. That one everyone you know. Yes. Ampere hour is a SI is a unit of, first option quantity of electricity, second option strength of current, third option power, fourth one is energy. The correct answer for this question is ampere hour is a unit of quantity of electricity. Remember that one. Next, the capacitance of a capacitor is not influenced by. Better in the exam if they ask not, better underline. Okay. First option plate thickness, second option plate area, third option plate separation, fourth option nature of the dielectric. Here the capacitance of the capacitor, it will not depends upon the thickness of a plate, otherwise plate thickness. Then all the remaining three, plate area, plate separation, then nature of the dielectric constant, all these things it will be depend. Next question. After this class, one more class I will take atoms and molecules MCQs. I am planning to take at least at least small classes like 20-25 minutes. Only MCQ questions now onwards I will discuss, because only 5 days are there. Yes, no? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then Sunday you are going to write the exam. That's why how much possible I can discuss the MCQ questions. Now onwards I will not explain any theory. I will try to solve only MCQ questions. A dynamo is sometimes is said to generate electricity. It actually act as a source of, first option charge, second option magnetism, third option energy, fourth option is EMF. Yes, what is the use of the dynamo? In the dynamo is sometimes said to be generate electricity. Yes, with the help of the dynamo even you can generate the electricity. Then this dynamo actually how it will act as a source of even energy also. Even using dynamo you can generate the electricity. With the help of that electricity even you can do the useful work. Even it will produce the energy also. Next one, in AC circuit, alternative current circuit, power is consumed only in, first option capacitor, second one choke, third one is indicator, fourth one is resistance. In an AC circuit, the power is consumed only in which one? Resistance. These are the important questions you have to remember before going to the exam. Okay, next question. For domestic wiring purpose, how are circuits connected? First option straight, second one is parallel, third one in series, third option is serial, fourth one is series. Domestic wiring purpose normally in the home, the circuit connection it will be in the parallel. We will not connect in series. Okay, we will connect in the parallel. That one you have to remember. Okay, at least 20 minutes, at least few important MCQ questions based on the topic electricity I discussed here. Then after, now the time is almost like 3, what is the time? 3:51, 4 o'clock. No, one more class I will take maybe 4, 5 or 4:10 like that I will take PM. Okay. Uh, Next topic I will take atoms and molecules. I am going to discuss atoms and molecules MCQ. Then one more class evening 8 or 9 o'clock I am going to discuss maths. I will see which are the topics. I did one MCQ on circles. I'm planning to take at least percentage like profit and loss. I will see. Still I have to prepare the questions. At least one more class I will take. Night almost 8 to 8 and 9 o'clock. I will see. But one more class immediately. Chemistry I will take atoms and molecules. Okay everyone, thanks for listening my class. Those who are preparing, at least make use of these 5 days. Okay, clear the TET. Even the minister, education minister also, he is telling whatever the gpstr issues last year, everything is going to solve day by day, it is going to solving. Then he is in the press conference also, he told he is going to call hstr, even gpstr also. That's why if you clear TET only, you can write gpstr. Even hstr, I don't know what rules they may change, those they clear TET only, they can attend hstr. Any rules they can change, any rules they can modify the rules also, because they will tell we have to select the good candidates. That's why better, that is the first step. Those who are writing the TET exam, in the first step, clear your TET exam in this uh, year only, then it will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. We will meet in the next class once again. Okay, thanks, take care.